Hi guys, good evening. I just got back from the market. I just want to rant because Ika Abulam, I'm tired of this country. Like I'm fed up. Everything about this country is getting to my nerve. You just prepare, go out with ambition to film a video, and they will be like, that's not allowed here. Like I feel like slapping someone today. You just not allowed here. You just not allowed here. For what? What reason? Yeah. What kind of nonsense is this? You just have an ambition to film outside, show people around, but these people will kill your spirit, like kill your spirit to film a video. Anywhere you enter, videos are not allowed, videos are not allowed. Like, really? It didn't tire me, bro. It didn't tire me. I don't want to be doing only house videos. It will be so boring. I want to go out and film. But with this type of attitude, I don't think I can continue. Like I don't have any option than to be filming inside my house where nobody will disturb me. I swear to God. These people, I'm tired. Anyway, winter is about to finish. I'll miss my winter. my winter. Like I said before, I don't like any weather here. But if I'm forced to choose any, I will go for winter because what is life without a sound sleep? Yeah, winter will make it sleep well, but summer, hey, I don't even want to remember what I go through during summer. It's nothing to talk about. So I want to ask again, why is it that whenever you tell people in Nigeria that you want to come back, they'll be like, no, come back to do what? Stay where you are. Where you are is better. Like people should tell me what is happening. Are they selling Nigeria or what? Is Nigeria better than here? I don't understand because nobody this Nigeria where I live. Hmm? Tell my parents that you want to come back. They say, no, don't come back. Stay where you are. If you come back here, you will regret it. Why? How am I going to regret it? I don't know why. I really want to come back. I'm tired of staying in this country. I'm fed up. Really fed up. I swear to God. I can't lie. But anyway, how are you guys doing? Good evening from here. In case this is your first time, my name is Shisomo Dozo, a mom of three beautiful daughters living in Pakistan. So, nothing much. My life is boring at this point. I really don't know what I'm doing with this YouTube stuff because all I have in mind to do is not working. Yeah, it's not working. So let me just focus on filming in my house where nobody will disturb me. Like videos are not allowed yet. Like that, I don't know if this is the only English they know. Nonsense and English.
Mama nataka bilionia saka bilionia ujajikashi shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Makawai ujide cash bilionia ujajikashi shopping and spending.
Hello. 250. Hello.
Several days later.
Hi guys, good evening from here. Hey, my back pain is disturbing me. That my blender has finally spoiled. Like the blender don't spoil. So my husband just went out to get a new one. I pray he gets a new one because the way this dollar thing is affecting people, yeah. Everything is high cost. Everything is costly. I pray God touches his heart to buy a new one. I can't wait. I'm just waiting for him. he's just sending some pictures to me now so that I can make a choice. So I'm waiting. God, oh, God help me. This blender don't show me shaking. Now I'm using it to blend beans and the got spoiled bata. I've repaired it 2 times and I'm not about to repair it again. Let me just pack it one side. Maybe later. Our new blender is here. What is the name? Dolans. Don't know if I pronounced it well. So let's open it. As usual, manual. I sweat. Hey, Jesus Christ. This is the machine. Amen. Wow. I pray this one last too. I pray it last. Pause 1 or 2. Wow. I'm loving it already. When they make it, why disturbing me? Okay, the first thing here is the machine. The machine that has the pause button, the 1, the 2. Okay, 0, 1 and 2. Are you seeing it? That part, that side, this is the manual. As usual. What am I doing with manual? Nothing. The small one. Wow, how are they opening this one? God, I pray this one last too. Okay. Wow. I think I'm loving it already. First, the small one. Then, the last one. Oh my God, this is glass, so very heavy. Yeah? This one is not glass now. Why is this one glass? Jesus Christ. It's very heavy. 1,500 ml. Wow. Hey, this one is heavy. What again? Should be the cover. Yeah, the cover. Yeah. Wow. Just these two. Just these two here. Wow. The carton is empty. Nothing again. 500 watts. Glass jug. Ice crushing stainless steel blades and multiple speed levels.
man, Najaka billionaire sucker. Billionaire, Oyaji cash, shopping and spending the cash. There is no mercy for money. Maka why, Oji the cash. Billionaire, Oyaji cash. Man, Najaka billionaire sucker. Billionaire, Oyaji cash.